For the first time in many years, the US Navy has deployed 3 carrier strike groups to operate in the Pacific Ocean, which is being seen as a powerful signal to China. A spokeswoman for the US Navy's 7th Fleet Commander Rhiannon Momsen has said that the deployment of 3 carrier strike groups in the region is not in response to any political or world events, but was done to promote security, stability and prosperity in the Indo-Pacific region. She also added that the US Navy forces are present and active in the Indo-Pacific region on a daily basis to support its allies and partners. The US Permanent Representative to the NATO has said that the NATO is beginning to assess the aggressive behavior and provocative actions of China against India, Japan and Taiwan, and China is on the radar of the NATO more than ever. The Indian Railways has terminated a World Bank-funded contract worth 471 crore rupees that was awarded to a Chinese company in 2016, and top officials have said that in case the World Bank is not agreeable to the Indian government's decision to cancel the contract with the Chinese company, the Indian Railways is ready to fund the project. The Department of Telecommunications has conveyed to all telecom operators not to use any Chinese-made equipment in its upgradation, while Indian intelligence agencies have asked to stop using 52 mobile applications linked to China over safety concerns. Chinese firms have close relations with the Chinese government and can implant viruses and malwares in their equipment, and usage of their products will give them direct access to control and even steal confidential information. 82,000 civilian workers of 41 ordnance factories will go on an indefinite strike in the second week of July 2020, in protest against the centre's decision to corporatize the manufacturing units run by the ordnance factory. This announcement was made yesterday by all 3 national trade unions. However, the strike will be deferred if there is an immediate requirement to the Indian Army due to the existing situation along the LAC. The Indian Foreign Minister held a telephonic conversation with his Chinese counterpart, and he told that the Chinese soldiers took premeditated and planned action that was directly responsible for the incident on 15th June. The Major General level border talks held on 17th June have also failed, and India and China will hold another round of talks today, which is the 3rd meeting since the incident.